What is up guys, another site. In this video I'm going to show you how to export the source code files from Lovable AI. So first you need to head over to your Lovable AI's website, and then you need to give Lovable AI a command to create a website on car enthusiast. And after giving the command, simply hit enter or click on this arrow button to give the command to your Lovable AI, and after that this will start making the website. As you can see, it has made me this car's website, and for the code on the left side here, you can see this code button. I'll just simply click on this, and then here, as you can see, this is the proper code. So I'll just simply drag and just simply copy it, or if I don't want to just copy it, I'll just click on Control plus A, and then I can just simply copy this code. Now, if I don't want to just do that thing too, I can just simply click on this open in code editor, and then this will just open that particular code in the code editor. So let's say I want this portion of the code till this much. I'll just simply click on this open in code editor, and then this will open this portion in my code editor. And after that, this is how you can just simply transfer or get the code files from Lovable. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.